That's a really good question because from that perspective, there's a bit of a disconnect within house builders and contractors and developers between the commercial element, the technical element, and the site element. So you've got the technical people want the best product, so they want to make certain the product that is installed on site is fit for purpose and it's technically good, technically excellent. That's their focus. The commercial people really, they're the ones that place the orders, so they want to save as much money as possible. So their job really is to create value for money for the house builder and help the house builder to get this house built as cost effectively as possible. That's their job. But then the site construction people, they're responsible for actually building the house and making things happen. And very often they're quite siloed and quite disconnected. So what we do is we have a quarterly review with all of our clients. So that would be, let's say we're dealing with a particular house builder and a particular region. Every quarter we'll sit down with those people and have a conversation with them. What we'll be saying is, right, okay, let's review first of all what we've done before we start talking about what future project you've got coming up. Isn't just a sales meeting. So we're talking about the projects we've done, the health and safety record that we've got, our reliability on site, and also asking them for feedback. If you heard anything from the site managers, for example, or the construction directors that would concern you that we need to address, as well as saying, we're here, what have you got that we can price for in terms of new projects? So what we're trying to do is bring together a technically excellent package with something that's commercially viable and commercially attractive, but also to make sure the delivery on site is good and doesn't cause delays on site and contributes positively to the construction process.